Okay, so let's see what we have for the next week. We will start with the economic calendar. Seconds. I think it's this one. Yeah, it's this one. Okay. So I don't know why it's showing me these two, but okay. It's only this one. So on Monday, I'll probably trade. On Tuesday, I won't. Then Wednesday, Thursday, definitely trading. And Friday, I'm also gonna be trading, but very carefully. These 2 days, very careful because we don't have USD red folder news, so price action might be like slow and everything. So super careful, only A+ setups, and with risk off approach basically this week. So these 2 days should be a good days to trade. Then we have, let's start with the DXY with the weekly time frame. So here, so in terms of the monthly, we could expect price to go lower, but that really doesn't matter right now. We don't need to look at the monthly. On the weekly, what I see is that we could go higher, so we could definitely. So we have this range right here, so we reached the 50% of it, or the discount in this case, and we reached into the fair value gap right here, and we closed this week inside of it. So next week, I'm also looking forward to seeing bullish prices. Maybe take out this right here, weekly buy sell liquidity, which would be the internal range liquidity to the external range liquidity. However, if we close with the next week below this fair value gap, we probably will go lower inside to this right here, or just take out this swing low right here. So that would be the first target. If we close below this fair value gap, we could get a small impact from this fair value gap, but we'll see. The same thing goes for this. If we close a week, we make a rejection, and then we can expect the next week to be also going higher. But if we close below it, we can expect price to go for this swing low right here. Now, in terms of the daily time frame, this buy scenario makes sense because we have just took out the swing low. We reached the daily fair value that is in discount, as you can see, and we are also in the weekly fair value gap. So we took out this, and we above, as you can see, have these daily relative equal highs. So we did use these, and we closed very nicely. We continued lower. So that's kind of like maybe a reason to go lower, but we'll see. It didn't leave another fair value gap right here. So far, I'm thinking we should go for these relative equal highs because they're too clean, and we have this fair value gap to push us hard to this target. That's basically it in terms of the DXY. Moving on to the EURUSD here, I'm expecting bearish prices, which makes sense according to the DXY, as we were bullish on DXY. So we have this weekly fair value gap, and we have an internal range liquidity to the external range liquidity scenario, and I'm looking forward to seeing it play out. Also, we have the same scenario like on DXY. We reached into the discount. We might push with Monday a bit higher just to actually reach the discount a bit higher, so maybe like here, and then more lower. And also, when we are looking at the daily time frame, here we can see we swept this daily buy sell liquidity, which is also the high of this week right here, which is why it is key. Okay, we have this daily fair value gap right here, which we don't have to reach, but we could reach it definitely. We'll see what happens, but if we are going to reach the discount of the move lower, then we probably could reach into this fair value gap and move lower. But anyways, if we do reach it or don't, we don't care. Basically we are bearish. So these are the targets, simple swing lows. This is also the target, but I'm counting these as the same. So this is target, this is the target, and then ultimately the weekly sell liquidity or the weekly swing low, which is the external range liquidity in this scenario. That's basically it. That's the two pairs I'm looking at always, and they are aligned. So I think we are most likely to be bearish from here and most likely to be bullish I'm most likely to be bullish from here. So yeah, that's basically my analysis. This doesn't have to happen. This is not any financial advice. So it's basically just my insights on how I usually approach the end of the week. And so far, with my experience, I have been good at it. There are times that I don't predict that what will happen on the higher time frames, and that's completely fine with me. So yeah, we are gonna see what happens. And yeah, basically this is just like kind of a confluence to my trading, which is why I don't rely on it that much. So yeah, that's it. I wish you guys a happy weekend, and that's it.